All right. It is Saturday, March the 12th, and I have officially violated my account. I didn't record any video this week, not for any specific reason other than I just was not recording. I took a bunch of trades. As you can see here, here are week 11, and I took 25 trades. I did trade a little bit of US 30, 8 buys, 17 sells. You can see here I did 5.5% loss. Now my last day was Friday, so I had to finish up my risk to at least try and pass. Now on Friday I actually took some really good trades, but the markets, because of the conflicts in the world, the markets have been acting absolutely nuts. So let me just share with you some of the trades I took. So for example, EJ. So I had taken, and I'll drag the trade here for you. So EJ, I took a sell here. So it deleted, but there's an order block. There's an order block here, bearish order block. I am bearish, that's why I have the red line there. That was my zone, my level that I think that was my daily high or low that I put in there. I think that was my daily high. So that was the daily high here. And you see price tested. It broke, took all this liquidity here, and broke down. So this was a nice zone here, nice order block. So I think I'll mark this. This was my order block. Let's make it red in the background. Okay, so this was my order block. So I thought, okay, this is great. Price came into it, tested, came back in, and then I sold here. See here, sell. What I did is I waited. Price was in the area. I saw the three, what do they call it? Three black soldiers or something. Three black crows. Anyways, I saw this wick, and then I saw it retest, and I entered. And this was right at New York Open. Ignore the background noise. As children, I have children. So this was right at New York Open. So I entered here, and then something happened, some form of news or something, and price shot up. Took me right out. So can't be mad at that. UJ, I had no business. Hello, hi. I had no business selling this because clearly you could see it was bullish. I came back in and I analyzed it afterwards, and I could see that I see that there's my highs, it's bullish. I see here bullish, hour 4 order blocks, bullish. I have no clue why I was selling it. This was completely stupid. So that was UJ. What other trades did I take? ACAD, I put the wrong stop loss. That was supposed to be 94.125. It should have been 94.152. Aggravating because, let me show you. ACAD. Check this out. Get any more aggravating than this. This was my stop loss. And of course, my stop loss should have been, well, let's go in a lower so we can see it better. So my stop loss took me out here, and it should have been, and I just transposed it wrong. Like, that's literally what I did, is I typed the stop loss wrong. So had I typed it correctly, I would have probably still been in, and I would have taken all of that. I think it was like 1 to 20. Oh well. So yeah, and then I had GU, EU. We all know what happened with them this week. It was just, I'm gonna put it on the hour chart so we can see here. EU. sold here. It was a nice, beautiful order block, and then price went here, hunted up again, and then finally dropped. Yeah, it just was a rough week, but that's okay. I'm going to come back stronger. I'm going to do a new challenge. I'm going to be trading the 4-hour charts only, which is what I do anyways, but I'm going to be more consistent with just the 4-hour charts. I've marked up most of the pairs, so I think I see GJ. So right now what I see for GJ is I see on monthly, I see that it's bullish, which is great. This is because this is my high and my low. And then if I go on my daily, I can see here it's bearish on the daily, so that means the last swing high, the low was, this low was created from this last swing high, so this was a break of structure down, so this is a bearish trend. So what that means is I'll be looking for intraday in the hour 4 bearish order block, bearish sell, but overall it's bullish, so I would be looking for an overall bullish move in the hour 4 chart, but the hour 4 bullish move should be within the confines of the monthly range. So really, if I'm looking to buy, if I'm looking to buy GU, I'm looking to buy it at a discount, right? So I'll be looking to buy it somewhere in this area. So you could see here it already bounced, and that's the bearish bottom range now. So this was a perfect entry for the bullish monthly move. But intraday on the daily chart is bearish. So for the bearish move, I'm looking, I'll just draw my fib again. There we go. Oops. I wish there was a way to control where these go a little better. For my bearish move, I'm looking for an area in this area, and of course, as you can see, I've marked my order block in that area. You could see here is the push that broke. This is the structure here, low. This break of structure originated here in this area, so this is where I'm looking to sell from. So, I mean, this is a 4-hour bearish zone. I'll probably be looking for, you know, sell probably down to here again and maybe another bounce. But this is how I'm going to approach everything. I'm going to be looking at the hour 4 charts for the coming week. So, you know, you could see ACAD, I'm looking to buy at that area. AJ, same thing. You could see my green zone, looking to buy CAD, JPY, ECAD, just hit that order block almost perfectly and came down. EG, I'm looking to buy that. EJ just tapped into the 4-hour order block, so maybe I can, you know, look in the minute 15 and see if there's anything there, but ideally I'll have to wait for a new order block to form, so maybe a new one will form here when this low gets broken, and then I'll look for an entry at that new order block. That's pretty much, I think, how I'm going to approach things. EU, this order block was mitigated. This one was mitigated. It might create another low. It's very bearish. We still have this order block up here that was not mitigated, though. So that should be interesting. Price might bounce, come back there, and go back. I don't know. We'll have to see. GA, looking for a sell from that red area. GCAD, same thing. GU, same thing. UCAD, I'll be looking for buys. It bounced right into that 4-hour order block perfectly. It did mark out a minute 15 zone, so maybe on Sunday there'll be a nice retest in there for an entry. USD Chef, that order block was mitigated already and the move went up, so I'm probably not looking at anything for that right now. UJ, of course, mitigated and up. US 30 hit this block really nicely and dropped. NAS, same thing. Gold, I'll be looking to buy gold from this area here. I don't know why NU and EA are on my chart. I don't like these pairs. I'm going to be taking these off. So this is it. This is what I have for my week. NU and EA. Can't hear those. This is what I have for my week. I'm going to start a new challenge, and I will be starting from the beginning. Clean chart, clean account, everything like that, and we'll go from start to finish, and hopefully, maybe if we're lucky, I'll pass it in a week. I don't know. I just need to catch, a couple good trades, and I'm good to go. So I appreciate you watching my updates, my video, and yeah, look forward to the next trading week. What is it? Trading week 12. Let me see here. Yeah, we're in trading week 11. So trading week 12 on. We'll just keep pushing forward and doing the strategy. What I'll do is I'll try and explain a little more about how I do my entries. Maybe we'll do a separate video on that. And we'll go from there. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.